Hello, Flagler County. Bob Pickering here at the Emergency Operations Center with the latest Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist. All the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. Take a look at the tropics. We got Tropical Storm Debbie, tropical cyclone way out here in the North Atlantic. It's not going to be an issue for us. No other concerns. So let's take a closer look at home now. We do have this southwest wind flow that has reestablished itself, and that generally means in the mornings expect scattered to isolated showers and storms to be developing along the Gulf Coast, central part of the state. That activity will be pushing towards the East Coast each afternoon and evening. Now, here in Flagler County, some days the storms will be a little bit more numerous. Other days the storms will be more widely scattered, more hit or miss. And some days they'll come a little bit earlier in the afternoon, and some days will come later in the day. But the general trend would be for the storms to be pushing towards the East Coast. So that, between that and the southwest wind flow, that's going to give a couple different things going on here in Flagler County. Pretty good chance of showers and storms each day. Again, just as I said, some days to be more hit or miss, some days to be more widespread. But the heat index will also be up there, so make sure that you are staying hydrated with heat indexes exceeding 100 degrees. And any one of these storms will carry the risk of squally winds, deadly lightning, torrential downpours, as well as small hail. Now, looking at the mornings, largely sunny skies with some patchy cloud developing by the middle part of the day, and then scattered showers and thunderstorms each afternoon or evening. Again, as I said earlier, some days they'll be more numerous, some days they'll be more hit or miss, and some days they'll be earlier, some days they'll be a little bit later. But the general trend is to expect them every afternoon or evening, at least as we go through the weekend and into early next week. Through Friday, sun and cloud in the mornings, and then scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. They expect to be more hit or miss as we go through Friday. Heat index 102 to 104, so make sure you're staying hydrated out there. High temperature getting up into the 90s, a little bit cooler at the beaches, low temperatures in the mid 70s. Now, we got something really cool going on over the weekend. We have the Perseid meteor shower, and we're expecting good viewing for that Saturday and Sunday morning. Skies should be clear. The best time will be after 3 a.m., but there's also a bonus. Providing that things stay on track, expect a Delta IV Heavy rocket launch Saturday morning, about 3:33 in the morning. You'll be able to see that anywhere in Flagler County, and that's one of their larger rockets. So it should be a spectacular launch to watch. That on top of the meteor shower Saturday morning. If you're going to be out there, make sure you bring your bug spray along with you, as the bugs will be out. But the best viewing for that meteor shower, anytime after 3 a.m., anywhere in Flagler County, especially if you can get away from the lights. Temperatures right around 75 degrees or so during that meteor shower viewing time. But when we look at the weekend, expect scattered showers and thunderstorms each afternoon. Maybe Sunday a little bit more busier with those showers and storms, but overall, most of the day is going to be okay. Plenty of sunshine with some cloud passing here and there. Just watch out for the storms in the afternoon. High temperatures getting up into the 90s, lows in the 70s. It's going to be the same thing on Monday, and looks like it's going to be the same thing into the middle part of next week, the way things stand right now. At the beaches, surf 2 feet, surf temperature 79 degrees. Elevated risk of rip currents. Make sure you or any friends of yours know how to get out of rips before they go out into the ocean. And look for a UV index between very high to extreme, so make sure you get your sunblock on. Now, to keep up on the weather, weather's always changing. Just go to flaglercounty.org, hover your mouse over webcams and weather. They'll get you to the latest information from the Weather Service. Sign up for Alert Flagler while you are there so you get the heads up on any severe storms. Check your weather radio. It's another great resource for local weather as well as tropical weather. You can also go to hurricanes.gov to see what's going on in the tropics. That's going to wrap it up in the Emergency Operations Center. Everyone have a lovely weekend.